Iolis Robotics, making life easier with smart robots. The team at Iolis Robotics designs high-tech robots to help businesses and individuals with everyday tasks. Their most popular creation, AEO, is a humanoid robot packed with useful features to make daily life more convenient. AEO can open doors, control elevators, and even deliver medications, making it a great helper in hospitals, offices, and homes. It's especially useful for seniors and people with health conditions, providing extra support and improving productivity. Plus, with its mobile app, you can control AEO remotely from anywhere, making it super easy to use. Iolis Robotics goes beyond just selling robots. They offer flexible payment options, 24/7 customer support, and regular software updates to ensure AEO stays up to date. More than just a machine, AEO is a dependable and capable companion that's designed to make life smoother. Arctic Spider 3, the ultimate high-powered laser. The Arctic Spider 3 looks like a real-life lightsaber, but it's far from a toy. This insanely powerful laser can cause serious damage if misused. The makers strongly warn against pointing it at people, animals, or vehicles because the beam is so intense that it can temporarily blind someone or become a dangerous distraction. Built with aircraft-grade aluminum, this laser is as tough as it looks. It runs on a rechargeable battery that lasts about 2 hours. The beam itself is super thin, only 0.2 inches in diameter, but can be seen from an incredible distance of 3.7 to 4.3 miles. Some versions even come with interchangeable heads for different effects. With a lifespan of about 5,000 hours, this laser is made to last. Whether you're using it for science experiments, presentations, or just showing off, it's a serious piece of technology. But be careful, this isn't a regular laser pointer. Valley, your smart home assistant on wheels. This adorable AI-powered robot from Samsung is designed to make daily life easier by helping with household tasks, security, and even companionship. Valley moves around your home independently, responding to voice commands and interacting with smart home devices. It can turn on lights, control appliances, remind you of important tasks, and even check on pets while you're away. With built-in cameras and sensors, it can recognize family members, monitor your home, and provide real-time updates when needed. More than just a gadget, Valley brings personality to technology. It follows you around, offering help when you need it, and can even project videos or images on walls to keep you entertained. Whether it's waking you up in the morning, assisting with fitness routines, or playing with pets, Valley is designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. Perfect for busy individuals, families, or anyone who loves smart technology. Car Key Grabber, a new danger for car owners. Every day, about 2,000 cars are stolen in the US, and technology is making it even easier for thieves. Recently, TikTok videos showed how to steal Kia and Hyundai cars, leading to a surge in thefts. But an even bigger threat is the Code Grabber, a device that can hack into car key signals, and it's available online. Here's how it works. When you press your remote key, it sends a signal to unlock the car. A Code Grabber can capture and store this signal, allowing a thief to unlock your vehicle later without setting off the alarm. In some cases, they can even start the engine without the actual key. This process is quick, silent, and can be done from a nearby car, making it extremely dangerous. Even luxury cars like the Porsche 911 GT3 can be stolen this way. Dark Knight Batman Folding Knife. The Dark Knight Batman Folding Knife is a must-have for any fan of cool and unique gadgets. Even Batman himself would love to carry this sleek, double-edged folding knife. It's designed with a distinctive handle and sharp stainless steel blades, each measuring about 7 centimeters. Despite its powerful look, the knife is compact and easy to carry, reaching just under 28 centimeters when fully opened. Made from high-quality 440 stainless steel, the blades are strong, durable, and built for precision cutting. Whether you need it for outdoor activities, collection purposes, or just as a stylish accessory, this knife stands out with its bold design. Destruct USB device. This USB device is a game changer for securely wiping data from your hard drive. Whether you're selling your laptop, upgrading to a new one, or just want to erase sensitive files, this flash drive makes the process quick and hassle-free. It promises military-grade data wiping, ensuring that no one can recover your deleted files. Using it is super simple. Just plug it into your computer and follow the easy steps in a 2-minute tutorial. It works with most PCs and laptops made after the year 2000, making it a reliable choice for almost any user. Unlike complicated software or expensive professional services, this device gives you full control over erasing your data safely. At just $47, it's an affordable solution for anyone who wants peace of mind when getting rid of an old laptop. No more worrying about personal files falling into the wrong hands. DLR HyFlex, revolutionizing pasta production with clean energy. This innovative project is a global collaboration focused on creating a sustainable energy system for Barilla, one of the world's top pasta makers. The secret behind DLR HyFlex is a solar tower power plant that uses 500 movable mirrors, heliostats, to concentrate sunlight onto a single point. This heat is absorbed by ceramic particles, which are safe, cost-effective, and highly heat-resistant. Unlike traditional energy storage methods, this system keeps the heated particles in insulated tanks, making energy storage cheaper and more efficient. This means electricity can be produced even when the sun isn't shining. Located near Barilla's pasta plant in Foggia, Italy, this cutting-edge technology will allow the company to make and dry pasta in a more eco-friendly way. By reducing its reliance on fossil fuels, Barilla is taking a big step toward a greener future. D-Stike Watch. This watch looks like something from a spy movie, but it's actually a powerful tool for testing Wi-Fi security. The D-Stike Watch works like a regular smartwatch, featuring custom firmware, games, and other cool functions. But what really makes it special is its ability to check how secure nearby Wi-Fi networks are. With this watch, you can scan for available networks and see how well they're protected. You can also simulate a hacker attack by disconnecting all devices from a network and even creating multiple fake access points, evil twin attack. This helps users understand Wi-Fi vulnerabilities and how to protect against them. The best part? You don't even have to take the watch off. It can be controlled directly from your computer. At just $50, this is an exciting gadget for cybersecurity enthusiasts, ethical hackers, and tech lovers. Whether you're learning about network security or just exploring new technology, this watch is both fun and educational. Fidget spinners, the simple toy that took over the world. When fidget spinners first appeared, no one expected them to become a global craze. But soon, everyone had one. Even Forbes wrote about them. People loved how these little gadgets kept their hands busy without distracting them, making them great for stress relief, focus, and fun. Although they're not as trendy as before, fidget spinners are still popular with tons of designs to match different styles and budgets. Take this model, for example. It's made with titanium and ceramic, giving it a smooth, premium feel, while the body is crafted from steel, copper, or brass for added durability. The sleek design and smooth spinning motion make it a fun and satisfying toy to use. Available in 5 stylish colors, this spinner is surprisingly affordable at just $4. Whether you need something to relieve stress, improve focus, or just keep your hands busy. License plate hider. Ever wanted a secret agent-style license plate that disappears or swaps with the press of a button? The license plate hider does just that. With a hidden curtain or flip mechanism, it lets you cover your plate or switch to another one in seconds, making your car feel straight out of a spy movie. Installing this gadget is quick and simple, often taking just 15 minutes, and it's surprisingly affordable, starting at $50 on some websites. It's designed for car shows, off-road use, and privacy protection, but using it on public roads might get you into trouble. As one buyer jokingly warned, a cool gadget until you get caught. While it's a fun and futuristic upgrade, check your local laws before installing it. In some places, using a device like this on the road could lead to fines or even legal consequences. Fluta, a smart safety device for everyone who loves water. Swimming is fun and relaxing, but did you know that half of the world's adults either can't swim or struggle in water? Even experienced swimmers can face risks, so having extra safety is always a good idea. That's where Pluta comes in, a small, lightweight device that could save your life. Weighing just 10 ounces, Pluta is comfortable to wear and comes in 3 sizes for both adults and kids. If your head stays underwater for more than 30 seconds, the built-in CO2 cartridge automatically inflates 2 air cushions, keeping your head above water. This means even if you lose consciousness, you'll stay afloat until help arrives. For $110, this device provides peace of mind for swimmers of all skill levels. Whether you're learning to swim, enjoying a beach vacation, or training in open water, Magnetic GF07 Mini GPS Tracker. Stay connected anywhere. This tiny but powerful GPS tracker is perfect for keeping an eye on your car, bike, or even loved ones. Weighing just 7 ounces, it can be easily attached under a car bumper, placed in a backpack, or carried in a pocket. Ideal for kids, elderly family members, or valuable belongings, the Magnetic GF07 provides real-time tracking through Google Maps. Simply insert a SIM card, and you're ready to go. If needed, you can even call the tracker to listen in on its surroundings for extra security. The battery lasts 4 to 6 days on a single charge, and in call mode, it can run for about 180 minutes. Despite its advanced tracking features, this gadget is surprisingly affordable, costing only $15. Whether you're monitoring a vehicle, ensuring a child's safety, or just love cool spy gadgets, this mini GPS tracker is a handy tool to have. Multi-pick Chronos. Ever found yourself locked out with no way in? Or maybe you're dealing with a jammed lock that just won't budge? The Multi-pick Chronos is a high-quality electric lockpick designed to solve these problems with ease. With some practice and patience, you can master this tool and open locks like a pro. This compact device runs on a 2900 mAh battery, giving you up to 2 hours of continuous use. It weighs just 12.3 ounces, making it light enough to carry in your pocket. The kit comes with extra needles, allowing you to refine your skills and improve over time. Since this is a professional-grade tool, learning how to use it properly is key. The manufacturer makes it clear that picking cheap plastic locks isn't real lockpicking. This device is built for serious work. At $200, it's not just another gadget. It's a Swiss Army knife for lock enthusiasts. MyWave's Sleep Solution. Say goodbye to restless nights and hello to better sleep. This innovative sleep aid is designed to help you relax, fall asleep faster, and wake up feeling refreshed. Using a combination of gentle vibrations, soothing sounds, and smart technology, MyWaves creates the perfect sleep environment tailored just for you. Unlike traditional sleep aids, MyWaves works naturally with your body. It uses subtle vibrations to calm your nervous system, helping you unwind after a long day. Paired with customizable soundscapes, it creates a peaceful atmosphere that blocks out distractions and promotes deep sleep. Whether you struggle with stress, insomnia, or simply want better rest, MyWaves adapts to your needs. The device is easy to use. Just set your preferences through the app, place it under your pillow or mattress, and let it do the rest. With sleep tracking features, you can monitor your progress and adjust settings for even better results. NASA's X-59 Quiet Supersonic. The future of silent supersonic travel is here. NASA's X-59 is a revolutionary aircraft designed to break the sound barrier without the loud sonic boom. Instead, it produces a quiet thump, making supersonic flight over land possible without disturbing people on the ground. This sleek, high-speed jet is part of NASA's Quest mission, which aims to prove that supersonic travel can be both fast and quiet. The X-59 is built with cutting-edge aerodynamics and advanced technology to reduce noise while flying at incredible speeds. With a unique, extra-long nose, it reshapes shockwaves to minimize sound, solving one of the biggest issues of supersonic flight. NASA plans to fly the X-59 over various communities to gather data on how people perceive its quieter sonic boom. This research could lead to new regulations allowing commercial supersonic flights, cutting travel times in half without disturbing cities below. Nestbox SuperTramp 300. Turn your SUV into the ultimate camper. If you own a Jeep Wrangler, Land Rover Discovery, Mercedes G-Class, Toyota Land Cruiser, or another SUV, This compact setup gives you a kitchen, sink, storage, and bed, all in one box. Designed for easy installation, it stays securely strapped in your trunk and unfolds in seconds. When set up, it takes up just the trunk space. But when fully extended, it stretches to the front seats, making the most of your vehicle's interior. Cooking on the go is a breeze, with a built-in gas stove, sink with a water pump, and storage drawers for knives, forks, pots, and other essentials. Not in the mood to cook? Simply cover the unit with soft pillows and turn it into a comfy bed for a restful night under the stars. Whether you're heading on a road trip, camping adventure, or off-grid escape, the Nestbox SuperTramp 300 makes life on the road more convenient and comfortable. Just load it up, hit the road, and enjoy the freedom of a fully equipped mobile home. Anytime, anywhere. PESA H2 Loco. A powerful locomotive with zero emissions, this revolutionary train runs on hydrogen fuel cells, making it an eco-friendly alternative to traditional diesel engines. It's designed for shunting operations in green ports and intermodal terminals, helping reduce pollution while keeping performance high. With a top speed of 90 kilometers per hour, it can pull massive loads of up to 3,200 tons. Running on 650 kilowatts of power, it operates for an impressive 15 hours before needing a refill. Its sleek, modern design places the driver at the center for better visibility and control. Plus, it comes packed with smart features like autonomous driving and an anti-collision system, ensuring safe and smooth operation. As the first hydrogen-powered locomotive of its kind, the PESA H2 Loco is leading the way in sustainable rail transport. Set to launch in 2024 with a price tag of around $5 million, it's a game changer for industries looking for a reliable and eco-friendly solution.